Welcome back to Dallas Step by Step. Today we're in Addison, Texas once again. You might remember a trip through Vitruvian Park last winter during my pilot episode. Well, today we're just a few miles north in what is officially the downtown area of Addison. Both places are not your typical suburban development. Vitruvian Park focuses on a scenic, serene, nature-oriented setting with a winding creek. Addison Circle serves up a higher level of energy. It's an urban-oriented experience which hosts large festivals and features a sizable open green area. Definitely a unique spot, designed to be walkable. Let's go into pedestrian mode and take a look around at some of its unique features. It's late afternoon now, but I'm planning on staying for a while. Some of the best visuals of this neighborhood appear well after dark, and if you hang with me, you'll see what I mean a little later. So what you may notice first about the area is 10 acres of open green space right off Festival Way Street and just south of the Addison Town Hall. While researching a little bit online, I discovered that back in the early 90s, city leaders realized that there was no downtown area at that time. They were just trying to keep from being absorbed by Dallas. So they designed what you are seeing today from the ground up. Originally 80 acres, the park later expanded to 124. This land here was near an old railroad that ran through the center of town. Cotton was king, and as you can see, even the walkways here connect back to the history that helped build this town. The neighborhood is surrounded by restaurants, apartments, townhomes, and streets. Designed for pedestrians first and foremost. Some huge annual events happen here, including Kaboom Town, Addison Oktoberfest, and in the past, Taste Addison. That festival was discontinued in January of this year. A sad story, in my opinion. Once you step off the open area, you start to notice some of the other details. Here's a classic walkway with columns, and it leads to a shady grove here just east of the open space. Well furnished, as you can see, with fountains and canals nearby. Let's take a closer look down some of the streets. First, you notice many mixed-use areas. Ground floor retail with upper floor residences. Similar to a European village, I guess. I've heard it described as neo-traditional or timeless urban design. Reflected here in the layouts of the townhomes. Lots of shade and heavy tree canopy. Everything feels intentional. It's one of those places where you actually want to walk instead of drive. And then as the sun starts to drop, it's my favorite time of day. Golden hour. This place really changes, and the light hits everything differently. Right here is the centerpiece of the neighborhood, and it anchors this roundabout. It's the landmark that kind of defines Addison Circle. It's called Blueprints, which fits perfectly, because the whole area feels like it was designed from the ground up. We're going to come back here in a little while once the lights are on, so you'll want to see that. And of course, Addison is known for food. The town reinvented itself in the 1970s and 80s, legalizing alcohol and attracting dining establishments, creating Restaurant Row on Beltline Road. With that in mind, I had to stop and grab something. Sushi seemed like the right call. Not a bad way to break up the walk. Coming back through at night, the choreographed dancing water fountains are a popular attraction. Running from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., the fountains are designed as splash pads. Offering visitors a chance to cool their heels after a long walk around the circle. The sprays can reach 8 feet tall and often play to synchronized music and changing colored LED lighting. And just across the patio, the Blueprint sculpture takes on a whole new life. Take a look and see how the artist did a great job of turning the planning documents of this town into a stunning work of public art. So, from late afternoon into evening, Addison Circle really is a transforming experience. It's walkable, unique, and well-designed. Definitely one of the more eclectic spots in the Dallas area. This is Addison, Texas. See you on the next one. And until then, travel safe and take it easy, step by step.